Okay, we're gonna make the best cheese dip you've ever had. I'm making a double batch on this one, but this one here I've got maybe 2 packages worth of hamburger meat, 2 packages of sausage, a whole package of your Velveeta block cheese, 2 cans of rotel, 2 packages of cream cheese, and for seasoning my meat I'll use garlic powder and onion powder, and you'll need milk for your cheese when you're cooking it. Okay, first you want to brown your meat. Normally I would recommend the less fat on hamburger meat, but I have some fat that someone gave me. It's kind of high in fat, so I will have some grease to pour off on it. But normally I don't. Okay, now that the meat is brown, I'm going to go ahead and pour off the grease. And I probably shouldn't have to say it, but please don't pour this down your drain. You will clog your pipes. Always pour it in something you can dispose of it properly. And now that the meat's ready, we're going to start making the cheese. Normally I wouldn't use the full block, but I am making a big batch. Okay, we'll get this melted down. I'm not going to make you watch it, and I'll be back as soon as it's melted. And just add milk as you need it to thin it out. Okay, now that the cheese is melted, make sure you do keep it stirring it constantly, because I walked away and it did burn. So you can go ahead and add your other ingredients. Now I did forget to melt the cream cheese with the cheese, so I still need to add that. Okay, adding sausage and cream cheese makes a big difference. A lot of people just do the cheese, milk, rotella, and hamburger meat. But that cream cheese and the sausage puts it over the top. Like I said, you should put this in there when you're melting the cheese. That way it melts together, but I wasn't paying attention and I forgot. So now let's get that to melt. Okay, now that the cream cheese is melted, it's done. Next thing to do is try it and make sure it's good. That's good. Just put it in a bowl and serve it to your friends and family, your guests. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.